Four profitable trades this morning, trading the London session. Let's get straight over to the charts. Okay, the time is 7:24 in London. Just preparing, getting ready for the live London trade planning webinar that starts at 7:30. And I've taken a few trades. Took the first trade at 6:54. As I opened my charts, flicked through, saw some entry points, and I placed some orders initially, and those orders were hit. So I'll flick through those quickly so you can see where I am right now before I close down and head over to do the live trade planning webinar with the Price Action Traders Institute members. So Euro, Japanese Yen, you can see I've taken this short, looking for further downside movement. Saw price come through an entry point. You can see where my entry point was there at 37. Got in this, looking for that further downside movement, push through this 20, previous day's low, and my take profit is set at the moment to plus 20 pips, 2-to-1 risk to reward. I'm limited for time again today, so I won't be trading for long, probably an hour. After I finish the London trade planning session, I'll probably be trading for an hour and then I'll need to shut down. The Australian dollar, Japanese yen, took this short, again came through an entry point, took this short at 33, looking for price to come down through that 20, and again my take profit is set at 2-to-1. And US dollar, Japanese yen, last of the pairs that I'm holding. Taking this short, looking at that further downside movement through the 0-0, through the day's low, and down to my take profit, which again is set at 2-to-1, so it's 20 pip price stop on that. Looking like the Japanese yen throughout the Asian session has been showing some strength. That's what I'm setting these trades on. They've come through entry criteria and I've taken them, so that's where I am right now. I'll close the video down and I'll be back as soon as I've finished the live webinar. If you'd like to find out more about the way we trade, or if you'd like to be a part of the live webinars, I've put some links below this video. If you look down in the description box, you'll find some links there that you can click on and get involved if you'd like to. Okay, I'll close down for now and I'll be back soon. Okay, back with an update. Just finished the live London trade plan webinar with the Price Action Traders Institute members. Flicking through these charts, seeing how these trades are doing that I'm holding at the moment. Euro, Japanese yen, you can see that it's showing a little bit of profit there. A bit of sideways action going on since I took this trade. Not doing a great deal right now. Australian dollar, US dollar, another trade that I'm holding at the moment. Took this as it came through an entry point, taking this short, looking for further downside movement, and I'm going to set my take profit down at 20 pips, giving me 2-to-1. Looking for this downside movement down towards that 50 level. Australian dollar, Japanese yen, slightly in the red at the moment, just above the entry point where I got in. Again, looking for further downside movement on this. Not doing a great deal right now though. US dollar, Japanese yen, started to move down a little bit. We saw those Japanese yens across the board starting to show a little bit of strength, but easing off at the moment. And not a great deal happening. So that's it. 4 trades I'm holding right now. I'll pause the video and I'll be back in a little while to give you an update. See how these play out. Back again just to give you an update and let you know where I stand. Euro, Japanese yen, seeing this push down towards this 20 level, showing a nice bit of profit at the moment. The Australian dollar, US dollar, just hovering around, not doing a great deal. Australian dollar, Japanese yen, moving down with that Japanese yen strength. US dollar, Japanese yen again, Japanese yen strength, pushing that down. I'll let this play out for a little bit longer and consider getting out of these. So I'll pause for now and I'll be back to let you know whether I stick with it or whether I punch out. So back again, I've decided 20 pips this morning, well, more than 20 pips this morning is enough. So I'm just punching out of these trades. I could have left these trades running, managed them from my phone. But the way the markets have been, pretty quiet, not a great deal happening. I've decided to take that bit of profit and I'll be back in a little while just to give you a roundup of this morning's trading. Back soon. So ending the day today with a profit, very short session for me. Euro, Japanese yen plus 13 pips, US dollar, Japanese yen plus 4 pips, Australian dollar, Japanese yen took 3, and the Australian dollar, US dollar plus 1, giving me a total of 21 pips for the day. Like I say, not a big win. If you look at my overall pip count for the year, you'll see that I've got really good numbers, and averaging that number out, you'll see that most of those sessions are not massive wins. You don't need the massive wins. It's nice when they come along and take advantage of them, obviously, but you don't need massive wins to show a reasonable profit. trading Forex. Okay, I'll close this down now. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll be back soon with another video. Thanks very much.